this mobile center software will support the cameras and the mobile recorders. So this is the layout of our mobile center VMS software. As you can see, it's very similar to our DSS. If you've worked with that in the past, you have all your selections, all your screens available. So with this mobile software, you can actually assign roles and users to any personnel operating the vehicle. So if you want a manager to have specific views or access, you can assign that. If you want a driver just to have just a live view, you can do that as well. Okay, now we also provided is the Wi-Fi backup. So this is our Wi-Fi uploading center system. So once, let's say you have a vehicle that's going out, all day on a fleet trip, and once it comes back to the home center and it connects back to the internet, of the corporate internet, it'll begin to dump all the videos onto a local backup where you can set. So you have a backup video at your central station. Okay, now these are the minimum requirements for the hardware side. So just a reminder, this is a software-only release, so you will need to provide your own hardware. So this is the minimum requirements for the server side and the minimum hardware required for the control client. So the control client was what I shown previously, which is the screen with all the UIs where you can click for the live view, record playback, EMAP. So this is what we tested in our Irvine office. This is a GPS tracking. So we installed the mobile device on our vehicle, went for a couple of rounds. As you can see, it tracked every location of where the vehicle was located. It provides the latitude and longitude, as you can see here on the screenshot. So GPS tracking is one of the features of the software. We also have an eFence. So what eFence does is you can draw an area on a map, and you can assign it as this is the departure zone or arrival zone. So a vehicle crosses, enters the zone or leaves the zone, the home base can get a notification, as an alarm saying, oh, you're going into a zone that you shouldn't be allowed to, or you're off track. We also have the GPS resuming upload. So sometimes, the GPS signal will be lost, if there's like, for some reason it gets lost. So it'll pick right up where it picks up, and it'll begin to resume the GPS location. So you can see in here on the map, it lost the location for a few seconds here in this area where it's not shown, and once it picks back up, it'll do the GPS resuming upload. We also have a DSS Mobile 2 app we can use to do a live view of the cameras on the mobile devices. So this DSS Mobile 2 mobile app for your phone is free, but the mobile center will cost $87.98 per channel. So this is the MSRP pricing for the software. So for example, if you have 30 mobile NVRs, you have 3 cameras per NVR. That's a total of 90 cameras. So if you do the 90 cameras, the 90 channels, and multiply that by the $87.98, you get the total software cost is around roughly $7,900. This is the MSRP pricing. And so you can work with your the dealer distribution. You can get much better pricing on this. So this is just a reference cost. We also have this PFA 142 outdoor housing that can be used. So what we've done is we've inserted the mobile recorder into this outdoor box, and it kind of serves as an it can be served as a like off-grid deployment. So anywhere you don't have an Ethernet, you can use the 4G module, so you can have off-grid solution. So something similar to this screenshot right here. So you see we inserted the mobile recorder, but we had to buy transistor parts from Amazon to build this solution out. We can provide the list of products here, accessories that we had to purchase to power this outdoor surveillance box out. So you can see in the past, you would have a messy deployment like this, but if you have the outdoor, if you can with the off-grid box, you can use the mobile recorder and have a much cleaner setup. Okay, now that is all for the mobile center and the mobile software.